Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram will restrict certain activity. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys right here, this is how the error looks like. Try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community. So basically, guys, this error occurs sometime when you're spamming comments or when you're spamming someone with messages. So basically, guys, if you have this error and you want to fix it, you can try to just wait it out. So just wait a little bit and then try to send that comment again, and then it should work properly. You can also try to log out from your account and then log in again. If you want to log out from your Instagram account, just go to your account section. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner and then scroll all the way down. Here under login, you're going to find the option to add an account, log out, and also log out all accounts. So just click on log out and then you will be signed out from your Instagram account. You can also try to restart your phone. This might also help. And if you want, you can also clear your Instagram cache. If you want to do that, just go to settings, go to apps or applications. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then scroll a little bit down until you find usage. Here under usage, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and lastly storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And then here you're going to find clear cache and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.